Hello family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful cornrow that you see on me on this video. I did it all by myself. So if you want to learn how to braid your own hair or somebody's hair, then you should keep watching, guys. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. As you can see on this video, I already went ahead and did the back of my hair. It's just regular singles. I didn't want to show in the video because I have a lot of videos on my channel how I do my singles all by myself. So for the hair that I'm using is a pre-stretch expression hair, but I'm going to be using the black one underneath, and I'll be adding the color on the tips. So that's how I wanted my hair to come out, and I'm going to divide it into two portions first, like the way I'm doing right now, and start braiding one side first. I'm using my hair braiding holder to divide the hair and make it in such a way that it's very easy for me, the front, the middle, and the back. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and divide my hair and start cornrowing it. So guys, I have a very fine hair, like I always say, and very healthy hair as well. So I'm going to just braid it. I didn't want it too big or too small, but I'm going to try to braid it the best I can, just to come up with the style that I have imagined in my head. I'm using shining charm to achieve this look. And guys, when cornrowing your hair, make sure you don't start it with the braiding hair and don't grip your hair too tight. If you have a very fine hair like mine, please don't grip it too tight. That way you're not going to break your edges. I braid my hair all the time. If you always follow my channel, see the videos that I braid my hair all by myself, you will see that my hairline is actually growing, because I was born with a very light hair, like the way you can see. So my hair is actually growing right now, and it's much better than before, and it's thicker as well. So I'm still in the process growing my hair. I will never stop, and let's see how the future holds for my hair. So I'm going to be braiding it gentle by gentle. Just follow me as I go along, and don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, guys, and always support me by clicking the like button. Always leave down your comments on any style you would love to see me do on my channel, and subscribe to my channel as well. Share it with your friends and family. To all my old and new subscribers, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching my videos. I love you all.
Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm in the island on a Wednesday, laid back, coolin', kicking feet up like a sensei. Juju hit my line like what you want, babe. Hit her with the script like working out with Hervey. No way, I'm at the gym, you at the gym. It's a small world, I might just have to link with you and him. Look up at this girl like, let me get my words right. Cause if she catch me with you, then we going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan, you take your bag like that, then we gon' hit that gas. Make a U-turn 100 miles on the 90, gotta pray to God that we just do not crash. Okay, acting on C like I just tried. Hey, shorty the school to my rock and I'm not talking about Jack Black. Hey, what you do when you doing something you not supposed to do? Thinking it's gon' shield the one you love like they bulletproof. Just like Paul Pierce, all lie when they know the truth. Hey, so I'll cry in the end when she leave and she take your juice. Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Namaste.
I was actually doing my hair late in the night, so I'm going to stop here and finish it the next day. And the next day, I'm going to show you how I finish everything. So here is the next day. I wake up, relax, and did everything. And now I went ahead to finish my hair, and you're going to see the end result, how I quickly rushed to finish it because I was about going somewhere. This is the last one, guys. Yes, I love my hair the way it came out. So right now I'm going to put some twist on the end. I'm going to just roll it with my rollers and dip it inside hot water. And now I'm going to do my baby hair and come back with the end result, guys. It turned out so beautiful. I love it, and I know you love it as well. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up as you're watching and subscribe to my channel. And we come back with the beautiful end result of this hard struggle. Guys, I love my hair. It turned out so nice, and I was so surprised. It really looks good on me. Like, I'm realizing like cornrow really looks good on me. I don't know if it's just me. You can leave down your comments if it looks good on me. If you think I should be doing more of cornrow on my hair, let me know on your comments down below, guys. Let me show you the ends. I did put some coils in the end and just a little bit. I love it. Like, I love it, and I know you love it too as well, guys. If you know it's good, it's looking good on me, you love it, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave down your comments on any style you love to see me do on my channel, and as you already know, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.